is Hyperloop going to be different?
So you actually bring a great point. So one of the biggest problems that we have in public transportation is that there's no rail line, no metro that's profitable. So they're all relying heavily on government subsidies, on tax money. So, as an example, the Metro of New York loses $2.2 billion a year. Hyperloop uses alternative energy. So we're basically using solar, wind, kinetic energy through regenerative braking, and depending on the climate, even geothermal, to produce more energy than we're actually using. So our operational costs are very, very low, which allows us to be profitable on something like Los Angeles to San Francisco with a $30 ticket price within 8 years.
What are some of the important timelines, according to you, that we need to look at? The building of the capsules, when is it likely to be finished, and the test run? And what about some of the possibilities of checking on the faults and possible challenges of all of these technologies?
So we're now in the process of, we have two projects at the moment. We are in Quay Valley, Kings County, California, where we filed our building permits. We did mapping and surveying of the area. We're preparing everything for breaking ground later this year. 36 months from that is when we will be open to the public. We also made an agreement with the country of Slovakia and are now looking into a route locally in Bratislava with a future vision of connecting Bratislava and Vienna. So obviously the next steps now for us is breaking ground. We are, by 2019, you should be able to use the first Hyperloop. We are in negotiations with 14 other countries for tracks, for Hyperloop tracks. So yeah, I mean, there's going to be a lot of news coming in the future. And of course, while we're going, we will unveil more and more of the technology. But if you're the first company out there, you don't really want to, you don't need to show people everything. It's not productive for us.